it permeates a certain smell that's just it's outstanding.
Show, the Jeff Richards Show.
Oh, did you?
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's not
Dean Edwards, but do you like orange juice? Do you like orange juice?
I do like orange juice, but hold on. But the fact that I made that mistake, that should tell you how great Jeff Richards is.
Ones you like to, Brad.
All right, take it easy, will you? Well, one of my first impressions.
Guys, welcome to the Jeff Richards Show. My name is Jason Tebow. My friends call me the T, but that includes you.
For dinner last night, but I can tell you who. I did a reading of the love letters of Zelda and Scott.
And the conviction that you need to have.
I mean, you're a bit. I've always been a fan.
Okay, here we go. Wikipedia says that you used to work at Red Lobster.
Now you were just asking me, Patrick. It's good to see you.
I love the temperature controls, you know?
Breeze. Remember Aqua Breeze?
It was Aqua Breeze. I had that flown in.
Jiu-jitsu. What is that supposed to mean? Jiu-jitsu, you know?
You ready to?
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging. I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.